Hello all dear friends, welcome to the Binary Wins channel with another series of trading videos by CandleStick Psychology. This time I'm with you on the Quotex broker. I want to make a few trades, review some tips, patterns and rules together. So stay with me until the end of the video. Dear viewers, before starting the video, if you would like to support me, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the channel link with those who are interested in professional activity in the binary options market. Also, to start your activity in this market, use the registration and login links in the video description and receive a 50 to 100% initial bonus to start practicing and trading. Okay, we are on the NZD-CAD currency pair in the OTC market. Our trend is an uptrend. As you can see, our second candle is formed with a gap and distance from the close price of the first candle. That is, we have an intercandle gap. On the other hand, we have a key level here. I waited for the first candle to go up, get a rejection from this key level, and then I entered a lower trade in the direction of the momentum trend. We are waiting for the position to be closed. Okay. We have a momentum trend on this side. There is a possibility of a reverse momentum trend forming on the right side. But, as I explained before, if a weak candle or a spinning top is formed in a reverse momentum trend, it is likely that the next candle will move in the opposite direction of the reverse momentum trend. So, we wait. Reverse momentum trends usually form in the opposite direction of the main trend. Okay? I entered a higher trade. If the candle goes down, I will take a trade lower. As you can see, our trend is an uptrend. So, here, a bullish golden area has formed for me. On the one hand, it is formed a bullish engulfing pattern. So, I entered a trade in the direction of the trend in the bullish golden area. My candle received pressure and rejection from the key level. We also had a gap and distance to the level. We can wait and enter a lower trade after receiving a rejection. Of course, my entry point was not good either. I should have traded here. Okay, we need to see if our key level can make a red candle for us or not. Very good. Why did I enter a lower trade? We had a key level on the left. My candlestick received a rejection from the key level. That is, it closed exactly at my level. See, the candlestick's shadow closed on the level. But since we had a gap and distance to the level, we had to wait for this gap to be filled by the candlestick first, and after receiving a rejection from the key level, we would enter a lower trade. Well, I entered a lower trade. Of course, we also have a trend line that we need to draw and watch out for. My candlestick had a gap to the trend line. There was a possibility of a double top pattern forming. That's why I entered a lower trade in the same direction as the pattern. But on the other hand, we also had to watch out for the buyer's area. Okay, we have a gap to the level again. I entered a higher trade. If we look at the past chart, once, twice, and this is the third time that the candles reached this trend line and could not cross it. This is actually the same S, C, or pattern that I explained in detail in a separate video. As you can see, the green candle engulfed the red candle. Look, it did this once before. Here, it engulfed the red candle, that is, repeating a behavior on a trend line. Don't forget that this is a good setup to enter a trade. We need at least 2 intersections and points to draw a trend line. We had a momentum candle that crossed the resistance level, and that is why the next candle is gray. I entered the higher trade. Why? Because, as I explained, our trend was up. My key level was broken by a strong green candle. On the other hand, the round number level was broken by a green candle, and the candle closed above the round number level. There is a gap between the close price of the first candle and the open price of the second candle. That's why I entered the higher trade. Okay, no problem. I entered to lower trades with margin of safety. Look, we have a 5 candle pattern. That is, we could have entered a higher trade at this point. But on the other hand, our 4th candle engulfed the 3rd candle. That is, it covered it. That is why I waited for the 5th candle to go up, get a rejection, and then I entered a lower trade. Okay, look, let me explain again. Our trend was an uptrend. A 5 candle pattern was formed. But the 4th candle engulfed our green candle. So I could not enter a higher trade here because there was a risk the next candle would also turn red because of the engulfing that happened and the existence of the key level. I entered 2 lower trades when the candle reached the key level and receiving a rejection. Okay? I entered 2 lower trades. Why? The red candle engulfed our green candle. A strong red candle formed that crossed our left level, you see? And it made a new low for us. There is also a gap and distance to the left level or to the next level. That's why I entered a lower trade. Okay, the price closed between my 2 entry points. I entered 2 higher trades. As you can see, a morning star pattern has formed. Let me explain. It is true that the 3rd candle of our pattern failed to cross the level and open price of the 1st candle and create a higher high for me. But our green candle has the gap and distance to the level, and the shadow of the candle has crossed the resistance level. You see, that means the pattern formed on the buyer's level in the direction of our uptrend. That's why I entered 2 higher trades. Okay dears, don't forget to practice, trade and analyze on the points I mentioned. You can screen record while trading and practicing and then watch the video of your trades. This will help a lot to find your mistakes. Candlestick Psychology requires practice and experience. I will try to explain all the points to you simply and completely, but without trading and gaining experience, you can't master the training. To register with the Quotex broker, use the registration link below the video and receive a 50 to 100% bonus to top up your account. Dear ones, remember, you are the best. Take care of yourself. Until the next video, bye.